Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the review for the expert advisor. So before going to the review, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, as you know that we are using the expert advisor on two pairs, which is Euro USD and Euro Canadian dollar, and I'm also using the trading system that you can see on the attached chart. Okay guys, we have taken the best advantage from the trading system. First of all, these trades, I have set up this expert advisor to 0.01, and once our loss goes more than $20, then we enter into the manual trading. Okay, now what happened here, if you look at here on Euro Canadian dollar, so if you talk about this pattern, this is an unbelievable pattern, because this happened normally when the market is going to be into the end days and into the start of the new month. So basically, you know that we are heading and we are almost into the end of February. So this is the move that the market movers have shows us, and this was the pure deception. So what they have taken, even if you look at here, the market was into the top red boundary, and still it was not getting the drop. The market again went up. I have taken my loss went more than $20. That's why I have entered into the trade with a one lot size on Euro Canadian dollar. And then right from here, like for example, let me give you an example. Right from here, I have taken the sell positions on Euro Canadian dollar, but still look, it was going up. Then I have re-entered into the trade somewhere here at the top, but again it went into the loss. But later on, if you see that the market starts to getting the rejection on this candle, so we have straight caught this candle, because I have a very good clue from this trading system, these manual indicators, because if you look at the bands of these two, the distance between the bands of the red boundaries, you can see that the bands are very narrow to each other. It was a clear sign that something is going to be happen big in this market. This either could be the upward momentum, and either it could be the downward momentum. But if we talk about the price action, then you look at the price action, you can see that the price has already moved so much high on Euro Canadian dollar. So there were maximum chances that the market will have a drop. And what I have done today, look, I have taken four lot sizes on two times on Euro Canadian dollar, and then look how massively it drops. And we have also received a sell signal from the scalper too on the next candle, and then the market dropped, and now it's into the lower red boundary. So guys, that's why I have already explained in my previous analysis, that in my previous videos, that whenever you are looking at the charts, always look at the bands. If they are getting narrow to each other, it means that something is going to happen in this market. If you look at the daily candle, look, the daily candle even crossed the red boundary area. It means that the trading system was not expecting this much. That's why you have maximum chances for selling this pair, and that's why we have taken the sell positions. Rest of the trades went fine. You can see a series of profits on Euro USD. We only take the trade when the trade is going against us above $20. When it goes above $20, then only we enter into the manual trading using this trading system. Otherwise, now look at the current trades that are active on Euro USD. And Euro USD, they are with 0.01 lot size, and we are using it perfectly. So guys, this is how I tell that I am providing this trading indicators for free with the order delivery of expert advisor, so that you can take the best advantage if it requires the manual trading. Because I do not trust 100% on the EA, I always go with the manual trading whenever it is required. Whenever my account goes negative to $20, then I enter into the manual trading. Okay guys, this is all about the weekly analysis of the expert advisor and manual trading using this trading system. So guys, if you are interested in getting these indicators and expert advisor, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.